Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Halfway Tree. Now Halfway Tree is a major transportation hub in Jamaica, and it is the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. And with Jamaica having a population of 3 million, that's a lot of people. With Kingston having the city of Kingston having a population of 1 million people, so 25% of all the people that live in Kingston pass through Halfway Tree every day. I guess that's a weekday, Monday to Friday. That's a lot of people. So naturally, you can imagine the real estate around the Halfway Tree area is very expensive. An acre of land in Halfway Tree can cost up to 1.5 million US dollars. But guess what? It's worth it because you're going to see a lot of plazas. And they do very well because if you have that many people passing through every day, then naturally it's going to do well. And also, with a lot of persons have moved from downtown to the Halfway Tree area, a lot of business places. So let's take a look at all these plazas now that are in Halfway Tree. Okay, we're on Eastwood Park Road. To the left is Malines Road, and straight ahead on the right is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Okay, on the left now you have 7 Eastwood Park Plaza, which is a new plaza. There's a famous Burger King over here, and on the left and on the right you're going to see a lot more plazas. Okay, Princeton Plaza on the left, that was recently opened. On the right is a Pavilion Plaza. This is Eastwood Park Road, and Eastwood Park Road will take us from Halfway Tree all the way up to Constant Spring Road. Okay, on the right now is, I think, Central Plaza, then you have the Springs, and then we're going to go to Twin Gates Plaza. And these plazas are some of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. When you hear names like the Mall Plaza, the Springs, Pavilion Plaza, Tropical Plaza, Premier Plaza. Alright, so we're going to turn right at the intersection and go on to Constant Spring Road and head back towards the clock. Now at this intersection, if we turn left, we would go on to Red Hills Road, and that would take us back to the boulevard and eventually back to the Red Hills area. If we went straight ahead at that stoplight, we would go on to Constant Spring Road. But we're going to turn here and also go on to Constant Spring Road, but in the opposite direction. So straight ahead is Kings Plaza, and this is Constant Spring Road. And Constant Spring Road actually has a record for having the most plazas on it than any other area in Jamaica. There are more plazas on this road, especially as you head towards the Halfway Tree clock, than any other place in Jamaica. So there you have it. On the left is 7th Avenue Plaza, followed by Lane Plaza. And I'm not sure how this is possible, but there is another Lane Plaza in Ligoni. I'm not sure how they have the same name. Anyway, they do. On the left is the Village Plaza. On the right is Twin Gates Plaza. And this is Constant Spring Road. Then you have the mall, then you have Tropical Plaza. So because the real estate is so expensive, it just makes sense to build a plaza and maximize the revenue you get from it. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with that car. Alright, so this is like the center of Halfway Tree now. You see the clock straight ahead. On the right is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. It's a rainy day today in Jamaica. It has been raining every afternoon or every evening. Like as it gets around this time, it just starts raining. For the last 2 weeks, so much rain. That's why the videos look so dark. It's because of the weather. Alright, to this intersection now where you see the clock, the road on the left is Hope Road. If you turn right, you go on to Hagley Park Road, and if you go straight, you go on to Halfway Tree Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.